Okay, so we are at this restaurant called Fogo de Chao, and I am ready to go for this unlimited salad bar. You like smoked salmon, have it unlimited. Here is pretty much everything that I got. I know the salad bar is unlimited, but I doubt I would go for the second one or the third one because this is gonna make me full. Okay. So the salad is supposed to be really good. I don't know what it's made of. And this papaya. Let's try papaya. This might actually be my first time trying papaya like this. You all know that this is an unlimited Brazilian steak place. So pretty much they go around with this huge stick of steak, and when you leave this on green like this, they come around and serve you the steak. If you do this on the table, they won't bother you, pretty much. And this bread is amazing too. It's not bad for like 15 bucks, right?
It's not bad at all.
So it's like Hava or Meze. I think they're around like 10, 12 bucks too, right? So if you are in the area, definitely stop by this area. I mean, I know that on the unlimited steak option is pretty expensive. It's almost like $40 a person. So thank you. Oh, and then the Brazilian drink.
Brazilian.
Yes. I'm gonna show them. This is supposed to be a soda from Brazil. Wow. I'm gonna try and tell you how it tastes. It's like, I don't know what fruit it's based on. And it says official sponsor of Brazil? I guess it's like, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna try. Wow. It's really hard to tell what flavor this is. It has a little bit of like apple-ish, I don't know, guava? Let me see. It says you discover this flavor that's unlike anything else. So unique. Guarana, grows exotic. It's supposed to be like a fruit that's called guarana. Look. Guarana, it grows in the Amazon rainforest. I am falling in love with this drink. This is crazy. Guarana. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but my sister is gonna die trying this. Oh my god. OMG, you have to try this. You have to try this. Wow. Alright, like a pear? I don't know, it's supposed to be this fruit that grows in the Amazon rainforest. Okay. Trying more of this.
This bacon is amazing.
Wow. I'm glad you like it. I'm glad we came here today. They baked this bacon so crispy. Oh my god, I just had this little pepper thing. like burning my tongue right now. I don't know if that's okay for my breast milk. Even though I'm breastfeeding right now for my second baby. I mean, I'm pretty good at spicy stuff. Because the salad bar has all the meat in there. It has all the proteins, like the prosciutto, smoked salmon, like the chicken salad, bacon, so for those of you wondering, this watch is like a watch that I got for my husband last Father's Day, and I think I'm wearing it most of the time. It says, "Happy first Father's Day 2018. You are our hero. We love you." Min and Ihan. Look. Yeah. This was when my daughter wasn't around.
You grab it with your phone?
Oh, sorry. Our steak is finally here. Oh my god, that looks so good.
Some more?
That's good. Oh, maybe it was more. Thank you. This is the meat that we added on top of the salad bar for I think like $8. So this whole thing, is that unlimited too? Do you know? I don't know. Oh my god, this meat very good. It's like perfectly seasoned. It's not too bad, not too salty. It's like so tender. We are here like every week now. Look. So juicy. Like it? Yeah. I think I'll use a hot pepper. Yeah. This earring that I got from Epica. I like it. Made of this resin kind of material. While going over everything, might as well go over this too. For all those Jewish friends out there, they said it's saying blessed in Hebrew, which was the nickname for my baby when she was in my womb. And then inside it's engraved, "May the Lord bless you and keep you." Ta-da! It was a push gift from me. And this is the fried bananas, cheese balls, mashed potatoes that comes with your added meat which was for like $8. So this whole thing together, unlimited salad bar, unlimited, I don't know if it's unlimited meat, but all of this for $23, which is not bad. And this ginormous cheese ball is to die for. And also this fried stick thing, I don't know what it is. But it's so good. Doesn't taste like anything. You hear that? It's almost Brazilian version of fries, I would say. And more bacon. Not as crispy as the first one you picked out.
man.
Maybe that one. Maybe this one. Yeah, definitely. It's like not too salty. And it's got this like sweet taste to it. Might be some.
I think they put some maple syrup.